Alright guys, today we'll be making our microbit smoke detector for our kitchen. So I'll show you my code, so we can call it kitchen smoke detector. Alright. So first things first, we're going to want to make it so it communicates with the stove and everything else. So we go to radio, which is what it connects with. So I like to set my things to 47. I don't know why, I just like that number. And then we're going to have a little horn. So let's just make it beep, just so we know it's turned on, and we're on a little light. So that pin 1, this would be our strobe light, but I just like to have everything go on and off right when it turns on so I can see that everything's working. So there's this weird glitch where 0 is on and 1 is off. It should be the opposite, but I don't know why it's like that. So we want it so when it gets too hot, the alarm goes off. We're going to have to make a variable called alarm. Alright, so we're going to set it to 0 and the on start column. And then this will be like a temperature thing. Now it's only in Celsius, so 23 is like room temperature, I think. So I'm just going to set it to 30, because that's pretty hot. It's like, I think 30 is like 90 degrees, so something like that. So we're going to set it to that. Then we're going to want to set alarm to 1. Then we get another one of these, and it'll be checking what the variable alarm is equal to. So normally it'll be set to 0 and nothing's going to happen, but it's going to check for 1, and when it checks for 1, it's going to do the stuff in this column here, which currently there's nothing, but we're going to add some stuff. So we're going to do the standard code 3 beep with the strobe light. So we want to have like 100 milliseconds, which is 1/10 of a second of strobe light, which is just long enough for people to see it and make it look like a strobe light. And then we're gonna set this to, I'd say, like 500 maybe. Yeah, 500. And then we're gonna loop it 3 times, because it's 3 times. And then we're gonna set this to, well, one of the blink ones when it's not doing anything. So I think I normally have it set to like a second. So let's do about halfway through, which is about 400. Oops, wrong spot. Duplicate you. Then we'll turn you off right away, and then wait another 500. And then that's kind of what the alarm will do. So I'll turn my volume up, and we can see it here. So as you see, I have a little thermometer here. I'll turn it up, and you'll see it go. So as you can see there, it worked. You can see the light flashing and one of the little pins blinking red like that. So, and we're gonna want to do it so like the stove turns off. So I'm just gonna radio send string. So looks like we'll send a message to the stove. Let's just say fire. So the stove's, when it gets that, it'll turn off, which I've not programmed yet, but I'll be programming right now. So we'll go to our stove here, and let's just put everything in this column right here to like see if it I'm gonna say let's do fire for this one. Variable fire. So this is all my stove code. So it's a lot. So fire equals 1. Then now we have to get on radio received string. So then we go to here. We get a string. Receive string fire. It's gonna set fire to 1. So we get a fire. Nope, wrong one. Set fire to 1. So So fire 0, just do its normal thing, but if it is 1, then I'll have it like turn everything off. And as you can see, I can't spell, but what are you gonna do? So yeah, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the 3 bottom ones. It's the bottom thing here. So I'm just gonna say if fire equals 1, so this one's gonna be opposite. I don't know, I'm just gonna do it because I like it this way. But yeah. And then we hit save. I'm gonna save the other one right away. So that's all we're gonna be doing for today. Then thanks for watching.